I got this remote control light projector. I got it for a discounted price to review, and it's actually kind of cool. So as you can see right here, it's doing exactly as it's supposed to, projecting light. But what's really cool about it is this one is remote control. So I've had others in the past, but they weren't as cool as this one. So you can see it has a remote here, and I can change the colors. We got green, red, blue. I don't know, it's really cool. Also, it has a feature right here so I can plug it into my phone. So I'm using my old phone right here. And let's see if we can play some music. Turn it up. So we got music, the remote works, you can turn it down. Maybe, if I hit the right button. There we go, down. And we can turn it back up. I got somebody's love got a hold on me. I got somebody's love got a hold on me. Well, I've been lost and been lost. I've been counting tears, but I can't count. I don't know, I give it a 5 out of 5 simply because it's really neat. The speaker works, it's good for what it is. I love the light projector. Just can't lose. I got love, I got somebody's love, got a hold on me. Anyhow, you can all see what it is. I will go ahead and stick a link to where you can purchase it on Amazon if you like it or check it out. Thanks for watching.